Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to create the avatar for your Instagram account. So if you want to create a avatar on your Instagram account, first you need to log into your Instagram account, and here you need to click on the profile icon at the top right corner down side, and after this you need to come on the home your profile page section, and here you need to click on the edit profile option. Now you can see there is a new option will be added. If you already updated your app, you can see that a new option just side on your profile pic avatar option. Click on that option and click on create avatar. Now you will see that it will show you a skin color. You need to choose that skin color. You need to after this you need to choose that hairstyle, and you can also choose the outfit of the avatar, like I had choose that outfit, and you can also customize it further. So this is the way to customize your avatar. After this, after customizing all the avatar, you need to click on done option, click on save changes, and after this you will see your avatar has been ready now. And if you click on next, and it will added on to your avatar section. So you can see that this is the way to create a avatar on your Instagram account. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to create avatar on your Instagram account. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.